Welcome. In this video, we'll go from zero to AI in a very simple way. If you've heard terms like machine learning, smart systems, or AI tools and felt a bit confused, don't worry. We'll break it down step by step, in plain language, and also pause for a few quick quizzes so you can test yourself as we go. At the most basic level, artificial intelligence means machines or software doing tasks that normally need human intelligence. This can include solving problems, making decisions, understanding language, recognizing images, or even playing strategy games. The key idea is that AI systems use data, spot patterns, and then make predictions or decisions instead of following only rigid step-by-step instructions. What makes AI so powerful is its ability to learn from experience. When an AI system is exposed to large amounts of data, it can identify trends that humans may miss or may take much longer to find. Over time, it can improve its performance and become better at prediction, classification, or recommendation. That's why AI is creating such a strong impact across different industries. AI is not just one thing. It can be used for many kinds of tasks. Some systems help with problem solving and decision making. Others understand natural language like chatbots and voice assistants. Some can recognize objects, faces, or scenes in images. There are also AI systems that play games like chess or Go, showing how machines can handle strategy-based challenges too. A common way to describe AI is that it simulates parts of human cognition. In simple words, it tries to copy some human mental abilities like learning, reasoning, and self-correction. Of course, AI is not the same as human intelligence, but it can imitate certain thinking processes well enough to perform useful tasks in the real world. Now that we've covered AI basics, let's test what we've learned so far.
Here's quiz number 1. See if you can get it right.
Question 1. What does artificial intelligence mainly refer to? The correct answer is machines performing tasks needing human-like intelligence. AI refers broadly to machines or software that can perform tasks usually associated with human intelligence, such as reasoning, language understanding, and recognition. Question 2. Which of these is an example of an AI capability mentioned in the article? The correct answer is understanding natural language. The article specifically mentions natural language understanding as one of the tasks AI can perform. Question 3. Why do AI systems often become better over time? The correct answer is they learn from patterns in data. AI systems improve by analyzing data, finding patterns, and using those patterns to make better predictions or decisions. Let's make the process very practical. AI usually starts with data. It studies examples, finds patterns inside them, and then uses those patterns to make a prediction or decision. For example, if it has seen enough examples of images, it may learn to tell the difference between a cat and a dog. So the magic is not magic at all, it is pattern recognition at scale. AI matters because it is not limited to one field. It is reshaping industries, helping people work faster and smarter, and changing how we live and interact with technology. Whether it is recommendations, smart assistants, automated decisions, or recognition systems, AI is becoming part of everyday life as well as professional work. One important point for beginners is this: there is no single universal definition of AI that everyone agrees on. That's because AI is a broad and evolving field. But the core idea remains simple: machines simulating aspects of human intelligence, especially learning, reasoning, and improving their responses over time. Now that we've covered how AI works, let's test what we've learned so far.
Here's quiz number 2. See if you can get it right.
Question 1. What is the usual starting point for many AI systems? The correct answer is data. AI systems commonly begin with data, which they analyze to discover patterns and make predictions or decisions. Question 2. According to the lesson, AI is best understood as. The correct answer is a broad field with no single universal definition. The article clearly notes that there is no universally accepted definition of AI because the field is broad and evolving. Question 3. What is a simple way to describe how AI works? The correct answer is, it finds patterns and uses them to predict or decide. A key idea in the video is that AI studies data, identifies patterns, and then uses those patterns to make predictions or decisions. Nicely done. If you understood these basics, you already have a strong starting point in AI. From here, you can go deeper into topics like machine learning, neural networks, and real-world AI tools. Keep learning step by step, and AI will start feeling much less intimidating and much more exciting.